Alright, you cocksucking gangly twat lickers. Here's a bike check. I don't know if you wanted it, or you're gonna fucking get it shoved up your ass right here. Okay. Starting at the heart of this glorious cunt, we've got Trey Jones signature frame. You can see. Yep, this is a Trey Jones. It's called the Subrosa Wild Child frame. I love it. I fucking love everything. The geometry, the way the rear end, the rear end is kind of weird. The fucking dog wishbone thingy. The weird southern discomfort type of shit. So, there's that. And we've got a 9-month-old pregnant Odyssey headset. Oh, it's just the Odyssey headset. It's old, smooth. I like it. I got a new one, but I don't feel like putting it on yet. Some flat iron tangent bars. I do a lot of newest manuals. I beat the shit out of my bars. These are amazing. Come 29 wide. I cut them down to 27 because I'm short. Here's the Shadow Tremone stem. Trey Jones and Simone Bracco signature stem. It looks a lot different on camera. The color is way different. Probably need to change the contrast to my camera, but whatever. Got it in Polar Pop Blue. I fucking love it. ODI long neck grips. It's two of them. Here's one. You can see the little seam. One grip. And another. I just cut off a little bit right there. Shadow Contender tires. Blink Generation front wheel, front hub. I like the hub. It's cheaper. I like the wheel. It's also cheaper. I don't care. It's nice. Little green monster skull thingies. We have some covers. E-clat. Fuck my mother. Peg. No, I think it's a E-clat. God damn it, I forgot. It's an E-clat peg, okay? We got two of them. E-clat pedals. I fucking love these E-clat pedals. They're metal. I hate plastic pedals. Just like Trey, I've broken tons of them. And, yeah. These have a lot more grip. It's a Primo something cranks, I forgot. I don't know. They're old. They're 48 spline, I like them. It's a Shadow Killer sprocket. Or Shadow Screamer, whatever. Scream sprocket, whatever. It's 28 tooth. It's a Colt chain. It's a 100% pure Jessica whoop ass. You can kind of see there. Yep. Odyssey bottom bracket. Another E-clat pedal. That is a Shadow Trey signature seat. Just look up that if you want the seat. I fucking love it. It's a little bit slippery for hang fives, but I don't do them much. I've done them before, but I don't like them. They're just weird. Another Shadow Contender tire and 2.35. Now these are the welterweight. If you want the featherweight, they are a Kevlar bead. They're a lot lighter, but it's really hard to find them in 2.35 because they sell out so quickly. Alright, it's another Blink Generation rim. And the lighting is so bad in this fucking room. It's a nice rim. It's got a flat spot in it. But it's pretty good. I love it. This bike check was kind of quick. So I'm probably going to go in depth about some stuff. So, here's the thing. If you're gonna get this wheel set, because it does come as a set, it's a Blink Generation wheel set, get the chrome wheel set. Because me, personally, if I knew they had that, I think it would look a lot better. And everybody, who doesn't like chrome? It just looks flashy, looks good. It's not really, like, I think it's $2 or $3 more than the black set. If you like black, though, get the black. Okay, another thing. This hub, right when I got it, I bent the axle that, like, I bent the 14mm chromoly axle. And I had to get that replaced with another axle that I had laying around at my house. Luckily, I just kind of grinded it down and it fit. So, have a replacement axle when you get this hub. Also, have a replacement driver. This driver was really bad. This driver I destroyed. You can't really see. The lighting is so bad. God damn it. Yeah, but the driver I destroyed. It was an aluminum driver. Yeah, had to replace that. There is a spoke missing right there. You can see the hole. It's also got a flat spot where that spoke is missing. Maybe you shouldn't try 180s off 6 stairs before practicing with a nicer wheel. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. The Odyssey bottom bracket does not come with a dust cover for one side. Now, I ordered this Odyssey bottom bracket from, believe it or not, fucking Walmart.com. Right, yeah, they sell it. They sell a lot of stuff that's good. And, if you get it from Walmart.com, because they have them in bulk and they're really cheap, it doesn't come with a dust cover for the other side, but it does come with plenty of spacers for the other side, so that wouldn't really matter. Yeah, Merit seat post, I forgot that. Have I forgot anything else? Shadow Inceptive V2 fork. God, I'm sorry. I'm all over the place. Oof. Flat iron bars. Yeah. You know. I got them. It's got one kink bolt right there and another normal bolt on the other grind side. Kink bolt has a 6mm Allen and the other bolt has an 8mm. I broke my 6mm trying to remove my peg because of the way you have to put it in there. So if you have, it comes with 8mm, so wouldn't be worried about that. I just thought this kink would be a little bit stronger than the other ones. So yeah, that's my dike check. If you like it, this setup is probably going to be around $1,000 and something. The cranks, I don't know exactly what they are. I know they're primo, I know they're 175. I know I don't really like 175, I like 165. But yeah, they're good, they're strong, they're 48 spline. Grind plates for trying to crank armor rail and hitting your frame on it. Trying to feeble something. Hitting your frame on it. You can also have a gyro. You can have brakes on this frame. This frame is one of the stronger ones in BMX and also one of the lighter ones. I would highly recommend it. Such a nice bike. Probably like a $1,200 setup. Fucking love it. Alright, that was my bike check. Sorry for the horrible moments of silence. But yeah, take a shot every time I say but yeah. But yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and fuck yourself if you don't like this bike. Peace.